Top of the morning to you guys, I'm back with another tutorial. This one's gonna be on how to enable GPU acceleration on After Effects CC 2019. If you guys have any trouble following this tutorial, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Go to Edit and scroll down to Preferences and click on Previews. You'll see an option called GPU acceleration. Click on that. And over here where it says ray tracing, you might see CPU as the default option. Just click on the drop down menu and select GPU, and then tick this box. Click OK and your GPU should show up over here. In case it doesn't show up as your GPU, just close After Effects and open up the File Explorer. And go to your Adobe After Effects folder. Go to Support Files. And scroll down till you find this file. Open it and type the name of your GPU over here. And then click Save. Go back to GPU acceleration in After Effects. And your GPU should show up over here. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any trouble following this tutorial, leave a comment in the comment section below. As I said before, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And if this video worked for you guys, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.